Guide to leave review on ASUS product page. Start by scanning the QR code. You will be directed to our WhatsApp channel. Tap Select Options. Then choose Submit a Review. Next, choose the category of your product. Now, pick your series and specific model that you have purchased. Tap the link to submit your review. You will be directed to our review page. On the page, give your rating, write your review with at least 150 characters, and upload at least one photo or video. Screenshot the success notification. You'll need it later. Next, copy the product page URL and open the Your Voice Matter page via the WhatsApp link. Or, simply search for it in your web browser. And click on Submit Your Review URL now. Next, just complete the submission form. Don't forget to paste your review link, upload your screenshot of your review, and purchase invoice. With your review submitted, the process is complete. Thank you for your valuable feedback. Your gift will be on its way within 14 days. If you face any issue, you can reach us through our WhatsApp and choose Submission Issue for further assistance.